7 secret uses of WD-40 that the manufacturer doesn't tell you about. You probably didn't know that WD-40 is a spray with incredible versatility, solving everyday problems around the house in just minutes. Are the door hinges stiff and squeaky every time you open them? A few sprays of WD-40 make the movement smooth and quiet. Doors open easily without resistance, and the mechanism works without jerking. Have your leather shoes lost their shine and look dull? Spray WD-40 and wipe with a cloth to restore their natural gloss and fresh appearance. Is the bottom of a burnt pot difficult to clean? Spray WD-40 generously, then wipe with a cloth. The pot regains its shine. The surface becomes smooth and glossy, ready to use again without any burn marks. Is your jacket zipper stuck and hard to pull? Spray WD-40 on the zipper. The jacket zips smoothly and easily. Every movement is effortless. Struggling to remove deposits in hard-to-reach areas of the toilet? A little WD-40 makes surfaces smooth and clean, free of buildup. Lightly spray WD-40 on the outside of the engine compartment to better lubricate moving parts. Wipe off any excess with a sponge to keep surfaces clean. Even a single spray will make all parts work quieter, smoother, and more harmoniously. Now take care of your door lock where you insert the key. Apply a little WD-40 inside. The mechanism will move more freely, making every turn smooth and effortless. One spray. So many brilliant uses. Most people don't know these uses for WD-40, but everyone should. These tricks can really make life easier. Today I'll show you a few ways to use WD-40 that can seriously make your daily life more convenient. Every home can benefit from a little WD-40 on door hinges. When your doors start squeaking, just spray some WD-40 into the hinge gaps. Once it soaks in, the door will swing silently and smoothly again. Here's a surprising one. WD-40 works wonders in the bathroom. Most people don't know that you can spray it inside your toilet bowl. WD-40 helps remove and prevent those stubborn yellow stains. It's actually perfect for the job. Stop using water to clean under your car's hood. I've got a much better trick. Spray WD-40 on all the plastic covers and surfaces under the hood. The grime and grease will literally melt away. Just wipe it down afterwards. Your engine bay will stay cleaner longer. WD-40 removes dirt, oil, and grease, and also helps loosen tight bolts. It's smart to coat certain parts with it to help prevent rust. Have you ever dealt with dirty, foggy headlights and were quoted a ridiculous amount by a mechanic to polish them? Never overpay again. Just spray WD-40 on the headlights, wait a few seconds, and wipe clean with a cloth. The result is amazing. You'll see the difference immediately. WD-40 does a great job cleaning and restoring clarity to headlights. Clean them like this from time to time and they'll look great. Tired of your kids scuffing up the car doors with their shoes? Those dirty marks are visible from a mile away. Just spray WD-40 on the door and wipe it down. The scuffs and dirt will disappear. You can use this method on any plastic interior parts. It cleans and conditions them perfectly. Here's a simple windshield wiper hack. If your wipers are leaving streaks, just clean the blades. Often that's all it takes, but if you go one step further and spray the blades with WD-40, they'll be re-lubricated and work like new. I don't understand why nobody uses WD-40 like this. Here are some brilliant tricks that will make your home and everyday items look like new again. The first one is a trick for perfectly clean windows. Grab a Swiffer and a regular microfiber cloth. Turn the Swiffer upside down and tuck the cloth into the built-in slots. Then lightly spray it with WD-40 and thoroughly wipe the glass. It helps remove dirt, fingerprints, and leaves your windows looking extra shiny. The next trick is for windowsills. Pull back the curtains and remove any plants from the sill. Then generously spray a cloth with WD-40 and rub it into the surface. This creates a protective layer, so dust and dirt settle much more slowly, keeping the windowsill clean and glossy for longer. Got dirty suitcase wheels? Spray them thoroughly with WD-40 and wipe them down with a cloth. Repeat the process on all the wheels. It helps remove grime and makes the wheels spin much more smoothly. Your suitcase will work almost like new again. Another great trick is refreshing rubber shoes or boots. Spray the rubber surface with WD-40 and then buff it with a soft cloth. The rubber will regain its shine and look like new. Use the Swiffer and microfiber cloth once again. Lightly spray the cloth and wipe down the exterior of your refrigerator. This makes it much easier to remove greasy marks and fingerprints, leaving your fridge looking freshly cleaned. Another fantastic use is cleaning the bottom tracks of windows and patio doors. That's where dust, sand, and other debris usually build up. Spray a small amount of WD-40 into the tracks and wipe them thoroughly with a cloth. It helps loosen stubborn dirt and allows windows and doors to slide much more smoothly. 1 can of WD-40, so many uses. Thanks to these simple tricks, many things around your home can regain their shine and look almost brand new again. Put your grill grate into a plastic bag. This trick will really save you a lot of time and hassle. Start by taking a dishwasher tablet and dropping it into a bowl. Pour in hot water so the tablet dissolves completely. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has cleaning, degreasing, and mild abrasive properties. Mix everything thoroughly. Let the solution cool down. Once it's cooled, place the grill grate into the plastic bag. Make sure the bag is big and sturdy enough. Pour the prepared mixture inside. Seal the bag tightly, securing all the ends to prevent any leaks. Set it on the counter and leave it for about an hour or longer, depending on how dirty it is. After that time, carefully open the bag and remove the grate. Scrub off any remaining residue with a regular sponge. Soaking it in the bag helps loosen burned-on grime without heavy scrubbing. The dishwasher tablet and baking soda work together to dissolve stubborn dirt and grease, making thorough cleaning easy. Line your oven with plastic bags and get rid of burnt-on grime without scrubbing or effort. This simple method really works and doesn't require strength or any special tools. Just spray the inside of your oven with oven cleaner. Cover every surface thoroughly. Then take a few plastic bags and press them onto the sprayed surfaces, the bottom, sides, top, and door. The layer of plastic helps lock in moisture and acts as a barrier that boosts the cleaner's effectiveness. That's key because it prevents the product from drying too quickly, giving it time to dissolve the grease and burnt residue. Leave it for a few hours, or overnight for tougher messes. When you peel off the plastic, wipe everything down with a cloth. The dirt comes off easily, no scraping or scrubbing needed. Just dry it with a clean towel, and you're done. It shines like new, and the whole process takes just a few minutes. No stress, no effort. You'll never go back to the old way.